Hey, truck lovers, you gotta check out this awesome ride. It's a 1995 Honda Acty truck and it's ready for anything. This little truck is super cool, with a 660cc engine. A stick shift and four-wheel drive. Plus, it's white and looks really sharp. We're talking a 4.5 out of 5 for style and how tough it is. It's a two-seater, perfect for carrying your stuff or going off-roading. Want this truck to be yours? You can find it at Grand Auto Japan. Go to www.grandauto.jp right now to see this truck and a bunch of other amazing vehicles.
The leading vehicle exporter from Japan.